guys, Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to be a member of the JKV family. I'm going to be vlogging today, so I am in my kitchen because I'm actually a little bit hungry, so I think I'm going to get a snack. So just going to take you guys with me. Okay, so over to my beautiful fridge. I did this in 2nd grade. It's a beautiful art. Alright, so I'm going to open up this drawer here. What do we have? There's a whole bunch of stuff. I don't want that. There's still a Klondike bar in here. Mom. There's still a Klondike bar in here. Mom. Mommy. There's still a Klondike bar in here. Oh. I don't want it. What to eat with barely nothing? Look at all of these avocados. Mom, I want an avocado. I want a piece of cheese. I want a piece of cheese. I don't know. Just one piece of cheese, I guess. Maybe I'll have some cereal, but we don't have any milk, do we? No, we don't have any milk, which is fine. I can eat cereal dry. So, I'm just going to eat a piece of cheese. I also have avikin life at KDOMG12, so you can go follow me on there. I also have Roblox. I did have a Pizza Lover Gamer Girly account, which I will leave in the description box below. But one thing that happened, my account got hacked, unfortunately by someone that I don't know. But, so I made a new account, and you guys can go follow me on that if you want to, and we can be friends. And make sure you tell me that you're a fan, so I know. It's Sadie. It's underscore Sadie. I'll put that in the description box below. So I'm just going to eat a piece of cheese because cheese is good. I didn't even bite it. Awkward. So, nothing really. I just put my hair up in a bun because it's pretty. And I'm dancing in front of a window. See? Okay, the cheese is gross. Ah! So, this vlog is a little bit weird. Let me see what's in the dishwasher. Do you guys want to go inside the dishwasher? Let's go. If you guys have never seen a dishwasher before, here's a look at a dishwasher. Awkward, that's a dishwasher. You put one of those cubes in there, close it, put it on high. If there's millions, put it on heavy, and then you just start it, and boom, there you go. Oh, what to eat? Here, guys, I'll move you over here so you can see what I'm doing, so you don't get bored. I'm not trying to make you guys bored. Well, look what I found in this goodie pantry. Look at this. Look at all of this. Oh, there's chocolate milk in here. Mommy. Just vlogging. Mom, you want to be in my vlog? Okay. Mom, oh, what was I going to say? Never mind. They're Mary's. Never mind. Okay, that was awkward. I don't know what to eat. What should I eat, guys? I don't know. I'm going to have some cereal. Now, all the way up there. I mean, literally, right about, where is it? It's right over It's like, no, stop it. Right over there somewhere. Alright, so, oh, Mommy's been doing laundry. I need a chair. So, we're already 5 minutes and 19 seconds. This is a long vlog. You know, guys, this is only my second video. I've had tons of accounts, and I've got millions of subscribers, so thank you for that. Okay, so let me just put you right there so you can see.
Kaylee, what are you trying to do?
I'm getting cereal.
There's no milk.
I know. I'm eating it dry. Lucky Charms. Yay! Ah, my belly. So, just got you some Lucky Charms. This vlog is about eating. I'm just hungry, so. If I can get 100 likes on this video, I'll do a morning and night routine. Not in one video, but 2. That's 4, but 2. Let me go put this chair back and I'll be right back. I'm back. And so hungry. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave it down in the description. Alright. Alright, it's gonna be dark a little bit. Alright, I'm going upstairs for a little bit. See ya.
What are you doing, Kaylee?
I'm eating.
Not in my bed.
I'm not. I'm eating. Not in your bed, though. I am eating in her bed. What? I don't know. I'm just like messing around with stuff. Anyway, guys, this video was a little bit crazy, but please like and subscribe if you liked it. Like and subscribe, please, and leave any questions or anything you have down in there. And if you want me to do a type of prank, a video, anything, I will try my hardest to do, and I will tag you. I will also put my Roblox, Avikin Life, and Minecraft in the description box so you guys can go follow me. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends to be a part of the JKV family. Love you guys.